President Trump has been saying for a while now that if Joe Biden wins, stocks will crash.
If he's elected, the stock market will crash.
Now, Wall Street disagrees. Many of the country's big banks have already bet on a Biden win, plus a blue wave in Congress. But a review of past data appears to indicate that it doesn't really matter who wins the vote. I dug into the numbers, and history shows that stocks usually do well regardless of which party controls the White House or Congress.
But sometimes I think people overestimate the importance of politics for investing, and people tend to think if their person doesn't win, that the market's going to do very badly, and normally that is a bad call.
So let's start with the basics. Data tracing back to World War II shows that party control over either chamber has relatively little to do with long-term changes in the broad S&P 500 stock index. In fact, stocks typically perform better when there's gridlock on Capitol Hill. Data compiled by LPL Financial shows that since 1950, the average annual stock return is 17.2% under a split Congress. It drops to 13.4% when Republicans hold both chambers and to 10.7% when Democrats had full control. But what about when we look at party control of the White House plus the Senate and the House of Representatives? Well, when we do that, this trend of a split Congress being best for stocks doesn't always hold true. Wall Street research firm CFRA looked at how the market has performed under all possible power combinations. Stocks appear to do best when a Democrat is in the White House and the Congress is split. The second highest returns happen when a Democrat is president and Republicans control the Congress. So, bottom line, both Republicans and Democrats are good for stocks. And this is just a long way of saying that investors at home can stop stressing about which party is better for the stock market, because the numbers show that it doesn't really matter much. In fact, FundStrat's Tom Lee thinks the stock market is poised to take off regardless of who wins the White House. 90% of their portfolio strategy is identical under either a Trump or Biden victory.